Long before you went to the doctor to get a prescription, people used plants to treat illnesses and heal wounds. Did you know that many modern drugs, such as aspirin, are derived from plants? Hi viewers, and welcome back to Bestie. As time has progressed with the help of science, we've found that many plants are effective not just for nutrition and adding flavor to food, but they have the power to heal us. We're not saying you have to stop going to the doctor altogether. These plants can come in handy to treat common ailments, and you don't have to go to the pharmacy for every sneeze or cough. In today's video, we'll tell you nature's most powerful medicinal plants backed by science. From mint, chamomile, dandelion, sage to tea tree oil, and more. Watch until the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Basil. Basil is a common herb used to garnish salads, pasta, and many other meals to add delicious flavor. Thanks to the vitamins and minerals in it, such as vitamin K and iron, this herb is helpful for combating common ailments. For example, the manganese in basil helps metabolize different compounds in your body. Holy basil, commonly referred to as tulsi, is a specific species of basil that originates from India. It's considered to be a sacred plant that's used in teas, ointments, and more to help treat a variety of ailments like fevers and diabetes. This species has a much stronger taste than the common basil. It has strong antibacterial and antioxidant properties that can reduce stress, prevent harmful effects of aging, boost immunity, and improve digestion. How do you make basil part of your diet? Do you use it to garnish dishes, as an ingredient for smoothies, or some other way? We'd love to know in the comment section below. Number 2. Mint. There are hundreds of varieties of mint, with flavors varying from peppermint to chocolate. It relaxes the smooth muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, so it's long been used for digestive issues. Peppermint oil contains a compound called menthol, which is thought to help alleviate irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. A review of 9 studies, including over 700 patients with IBS, found that taking peppermint oil capsules improved IBS symptoms significantly more than placebo capsules. When you have tummy trouble or feel nauseated, make tea for sipping. Strip about a dozen leaves and steep in 1 cup of boiling water until it takes a yellowish hue. Number 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera has a long history of being used for medicinal purposes, dating back to the ancient Egypt. Its gel contains most of the beneficial bioactive compounds in the plant, including vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. This is part of why it may help wounds and treat skin problems. It's most often used as a topical medication for treating sunburns and sores, rubbing it onto skin rather than eating it. Studies suggest it's an effective topical treatment for 1st and 2nd degree burns. It was found that aloe vera could reduce the healing time of burns by around 9 days, compared with conventional medication. It also helped prevent redness, itching, and infections. Number 4. Thyme. With a taste that's spicier than oregano and a scent reminiscent of pine and camphor, thyme can be recognized by its tiny, sage-green leaves and thin but woody stalks. It's believed to exert anxiety-reducing effects, a property supported by studies. Thymol, which is present in thyme essential oil, has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects and may help in the management of chronic dermatitis. You can also use thyme as a home remedy for coughs, bronchitis, and other respiratory conditions. Studies show that thymol acts on receptors on the tongue, mouth, throat, and nasal passages in a way that may suppress coughs. Number 5. Chamomile. This is a flowering plant native to Europe and Western Asia, but found around the world. Chamomile is one of the most widely used alternative therapies for promoting sleep and treating insomnia. A study found there was significant improvement in sleep quality when participants were given 400 mg capsules of chamomile twice a day for 4 weeks, compared to those who didn't receive any treatment. It's also been found to speed up wound healing. Studies show that substances in chamomile can kill viruses and bacteria, including ones that cause staph infections. It can also reduce inflammation and prevent and treat the growth of ulcers. It can also be used topically to treat mild skin irritations, including sunburn, rashes, sores, and even eye inflammation. Number 6. Lavender. If you experience anxiety, chances are that someone along the way has recommended that you use lavender essential oil, and for good reason. This aromatic purple flower has a fairly strong standing among studies, which have mainly focused on its anti-anxiety capacities. It's proven to be soothing in a study conducted among dental patients, while another study confirmed that lavender can directly impact mood and cognitive performance. It's also been commended for its sedative properties to help people get much-needed sleep. Recently, it's been discovered that lavender carries anti-inflammatory benefits as well. It's most effective when diluted and applied to the skin or used in aromatherapy, and it has very few side effects. Number 7. Dandelion. You should think twice before removing those pesky dandelions from your front yard. They're not only edible, but also full of health benefits. They improve appetite and soothe digestion ailments by maintaining the proper flow of bile. This helps mineral absorption and soothing of the stomach lining. Dandelion has natural diuretic effects, as it helps in removing excessive fluid from the body, which relieves bloating. It allows your liver to eliminate toxins as well. In a study, participants showed a significant increase in frequency of urination after the first 2 doses of dandelion tea. Water weight and subsequent bloating went down as well. Number 8. Californian Poppy. Poppy extracts have traditionally been used to relax smooth muscle tone, making them extremely useful during the treatment of abdominal pain and diarrhea. Poppy seed oil has been used in chemotherapy for many years and is a large ingredient of morphine used to cure pain. However, it is perhaps more known for its relationship with opium, which has been used by many famous poets, such as Charles Dickens, many years ago. This drug, as it was originally known, was thought to create a relaxing feeling which also enhanced the colors of the outside world. Today, the Californian poppy in particular is used to remedy toothaches, headaches, insomnia, and anxiety. Children can also benefit from this flower when suffering from colic or sleepiness. Number 9. Sage. Of all the herbs in the world, sage is the one most known for its medicinal properties. Not just useful for cooking, it's the vital ingredient in medications for mouth sores and ulcers. It's also used in teas to help those suffering from the symptoms of sore throats or chests. The plant also boasts the ability to decrease blood sugar for those suffering from diabetes. It'll make you feel calm, content, and relaxed, which is another reason why it's so popular within medicine. As well as ingesting sage via medicines and teas, you can also cook with it to benefit from its healing properties. Use it as a seasoning in a variety of dishes, including the traditional Sunday roast, and give your body a little boost. Number 10. Red clover. This plant has been used as an herbal remedy for centuries. It's also added to creams and balms to reduce irritation and the pain or discomfort experienced from skin allergies such as eczema and psoriasis. It can also be used to aid the pain of burns and sores as well as in prevention of skin cancer. Its pain-relieving properties are largely caused by the presence of anti-inflammatory compounds. But the plant was also known for many years as a blood purifier, especially for the treatment of cancer. Regardless of the validity of the claims that it purifies the blood, this plant is a good blood thinner. This is due to the concentration of coumarin found within the blossoms of it. Number 11. Tea tree oil. The tea tree, which is native to Australia, produces an oil that's long been thought to be beneficial for a variety of skin conditions. These include mild acne, athlete's foot, small wounds, dandruff, insect bites, and other inflammatory skin conditions. There needs to be a further study into acne and scalp use, but for now, there's a degree of research into the antimicrobial superpowers of tea tree oil on wounds and topical infections. One recent study found that tea tree oil slowed the growth of acne-causing microbes. It's commonly used as a highly concentrated essential oil. Number 12. Winter savory. Usually grown from the seed, which requires very little care or attention, the winter savory is well known for its medicinal properties. This plant is native to the Mediterranean, where it's commonly known as bean herb due to its ability to prevent flatulence. It's also used to reduce pain caused from bee or wasp stings and can be used by simply rubbing it onto the skin. You can add it to recipes to enhance their flavor and offer medicinal benefits. It should be noted that the taste is quite peppery. Now that you know how you're eating certain plants can give you health benefits, you don't necessarily have to eat them all the time to reap those benefits. There are many plants that can do your body a world of good just by being around you. Get to know more about what we're talking about by learning about 8 plants you should keep in your bedroom, or getting to know about the 8 healthiest plants to have in your house. These 2 videos will surely help you get a better understanding of which plants you should have indoors and ones that are best for your health. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have you ever tried eating any of the plants we mentioned today? Let us know in the comments section below.